Is $18 a cup of matcha worth it? Today, we're taking you behind the scenes of what makes this particular matcha so special and why it comes with such a price tag. So keep watching. Hi there, I'm Kimmy, your matcha crazy friend and a certified tea sommelier. Welcome to my little cozy matcha cafe. If you enjoy videos on how to make tasty matcha drinks and food, make sure you poke that like button. That shows me to make more similar videos for you. So go ahead and poke that like button. Let me introduce you to our most expensive menu item, the curry Koicha, priced at $18. Unlike a latte, there's no milk or sugar in it. It's just pure, authentic matcha. This matcha is in its most intense form, and every element that goes into creating it makes it worth every single drop. This matcha is made from first harvest tea leaves, the best plant has to offer. The plants are shaded for 20 to 30 days prior to harvest, which results in a richer flavor. The tea is sourced from Kyoto, one of the most prestigious matcha growing regions in Japan. Our exclusive partner, Nakanishi-san's farm, produces high-quality, organic matcha certified under Japan's rigorous JAS standards. The tea leaves are hand-picked, ensuring only the highest quality tea leaves are being used in our curry matcha. Hand-picking is rare nowadays in Japan due to labor shortage, but it ensures the exceptional quality of matcha. This matcha is made from a single cultivar called Saamidori, known for its distinct, pure flavor. Single cultivars are rare, adding to the exclusivity of this matcha. Nakanishi-san and his team take great care in fertilizing the soil naturally and growing matcha organically. The matcha is also being processed and ground in-house, ensuring the ultimate freshness. Due to the labor-intensive and handcrafted nature of this process, only a limited quantity of this matcha is available each year. If you find any value in this video so far, please go ahead and poke the like button and leave matcha in the comment section below for YouTube algorithm. It truly helps me grow this channel so I can make more videos for you. So go ahead and poke that like button and comment matcha below. Now, let's talk about how we prepare this matcha in the Koicha form. Koicha is one of the two traditional ways to prepare matcha. It uses 3 times more matcha powder than usucha. And only half the amount of warm water, resulting in a thick, paste-like texture. Only the highest quality matcha can be used to make Koicha, which makes it quite rare, especially outside of Japan. So, why does this matcha cost $18? Between organic certification, hand-picked tea leaves, the exclusive Saamidori cultivar, and the Koicha preparation, you are truly experiencing something rare. The price reflects craftsmanship, tradition, and the dedication that goes into every cup. So with all of that, I highly recommend for those seasoned matcha drinkers to take your matcha experience to the next level with a more intense umami taste and also a bolder body in the matcha experience. Okay, there you have it. Today, we went through a lot of things in a short period of time, and there's no way I could cover everything for you in detail. If you're serious about learning more on matcha history, the processing methods, and a step-by-step recipe on how to make the perfect cup of matcha, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, make sure you leave in the comment section below. And I will see you in the next video.